In a typical workshop, brake servicing means one thing: dust. Every day I deal with brake dust from metallic brake pads. It's everywhere, makes me sneeze, runny nose, sometimes hard to breathe. Breathing in brake dust regularly can irritate your respiratory system. You should avoid prolonged exposure to dusty environments. But how can a mechanic avoid dust when it's part of the job? The answer: upgrade the brake pad. Ceramax Ceramic Brake Pads, designed to produce very low dust. Since switching to Ceramax, big difference. Less dust, cleaner workspace, and I can finally breathe better. Compared to traditional metallic brake pads, less dust, cleaner environment, better comfort for mechanics. Ceramax Ceramic Brake Pads. Protect your brakes and your health. Work cleaner, breathe easier, choose Ceramax.
Less dust. Choose Ceramax.